Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Mobile Legend account with TikTok account. Now let's get started. So, if you wanna connect a Mobile Legend with a TikTok account, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the profile icon at the top, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the account, this one, click on it, and then now you can click on a TikTok account, and then in here you can waiting, and after this you can click on this one, on this one, on authorize, click on it, okay, please waiting again, and then in here you can click on accept and finish. Your Mobile Legend account has been connect with a TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.